我哋要明白咧，space-time relativity 啊，喺呢個 Einstein 嘅 relativity 裏邊嘅時候，首先有 space 有 time。咁而 time 係咩嚟嘅？Time is a measurement of depreciation of energy。咁嘅時候，所以其實light 而所有呢個全世即係我哋喺呢個 relativity based on observer 咁嘅時候，所以係呢個點樣去形容咧？就係冇我哋所有嘢嘅 measurement 都係 based on 呢個 light 嘅 speed of light。其實 speed of light 係咩嚟嘅？speed of light 係個 unit，it's a unit of standard unit of measure。嗰樣嘢係一個 absolute 嘅 value 嚟嘅。咁嘅所有嘢係 pass 唔到呢個 energy unit 嘅。嗰個係個1秒嘅 unit 嚟嘅。點解嗰個係最 base minimum 嘅 unit 嚟嘅？嗰樣嘢係超越唔到。咁所以其實 time travel is impossible。我哋有可能 observe 到個 light 個 energy 當年嗰樣嘅點講咧？因為我哋 observer 嘅時候，我哋見到外邊嘅星體嘅時候係一個 reflect 翻嚟嘅一個 sources。咁所以我哋要計到當時嗰個因為個 travel 去嗰度翻嚟嘅翻出嚟嘅 energy 嗰個距離嘅問題。但係我哋唔可以去到從前，因為嗰個 energy emit 咗 reflect 咗翻嚟，而嗰樣嘢嗰個時間過咗啦已經就係咁樣。